What is up, my babies? Welcome back to another video. If you're new, hi, my name is Esther, and it's so good to have you guys tuning in yet in another video. So in today's video, it is all about this burgundy unit from YGwigs. I had to get my hands on something different, something fun as we are transitioning from summer to fall. I feel like this is such a fall unit. Fall screams burnt orange, burnt burgundy, burnt everything. That's what fall screams, and I think this is perfect. Now with this wig, I did not have to customize it that much. The knots did not have to be bleached, but what I did is grab this is the airbrush leg makeup spray. Now this comes through when you want to tint the lace, because I don't have my tint lace spray on me that I got from my local beauty supply store. Purchased this at Walmart. You can also get this at Target as well, but I went ahead and just sprayed this on my lace to make it look a little bit more, I always use natural in a lot of my hair videos because that's the only word I can honestly use, but it made it look a little bit more natural than how it actually came. And I also grabbed my brush that I had concealer on, and I just applied this on the lace just to make it blend into the scalp even more, so then it kind of looks like it's a sew-in-ish and not so much of a wig. And I did have to cut some layers in this unit. You guys know when I rock straight wigs, I love me some layers just to frame my face even more. And this is a 13x4 lace. You're not getting a lot of lace space with this wig, so that's the only thing I had to point out with the 13x4 lace. Now the color of this unit is a 99J, so normally I would say this is a burgundy red, something dark, vampy, and very sexy. Now this wig did come as a water wave, but I went ahead and grabbed my straightener to give it more of a sleek, sexy look. And honestly, either way, water wave or just a straight look would look perfect with this unit. And this is a 150 density unit, so it's actually the perfect type of density. I've mentioned this throughout a lot of hair videos that I prefer 150 density, but if I want to go big or go home, I go for 180. Anything under 150 I'm not really crazy for, because I feel like it's a little bit more thin, but 150 to 180 is the route that I usually go for with any units that I get my hands on. And I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but this unit is 22 inches, so it's long, but it's not extremely long, because I am sure a lot of units do look a lot more longer on me. The shorter you are, the longer the units look on you. But this is a perfect 22 inch. It is. Now I went ahead and grabbed my curling iron and I just gave it a little bit of a nice little bounce curl on the bottom of the wig, like that. All right, my babies, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. As always, check the description box for all the details of this unit and the links and all that good stuff. I love y'all. Now, Pendasana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.